Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing 12 cool gadgets, carefully selected based on research and testing for various needs. Whether you're seeking affordability, performance, or specific features, I've categorized the products to suit different buyer preferences. Check the description for up-to-date prices and details. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's dive in. Number 1. Folding Hand Pull Saw. The handle effortlessly flips between a working position and a closed position, ensuring convenience and efficiency. Its double-edged blade offers a progressive 7 to 10 TPI edge for fine cutting and a 17 TPI edge for extra fine cutting, catering to various cutting needs. The flexible micro-thin blade ensures clean cuts on both pull and push strokes. Hardened teeth speed up flush cutting tasks, while the geared pivoting mechanism allows for smooth folding of the handles. Number 2. 3D Wooden Puzzle 469 pieces. Rocker's first EV model is a 3D wooden tractor locomotive puzzle that replicates a steam locomotive at a 1/28 scale. It features a body and trailer powered by a micro motor, simulating movement with realistic smoke effects and a flame atmosphere lamp. With 469 laser-cut pieces and detailed instructions, it takes around 5 hours to assemble. This retro-style model is both educational and entertaining, making it a meaningful gift for all ages. Number 3. LED Waterproof Camping Light. This ABS camping light and flashlight comes in green and khaki, measuring 13 centimeters by 3.5 centimeters and weighing 120 g. It features XDE plus SMD lamp beads, delivering 150 LM output. Powered by a built-in 18,651,200 mAh battery, it offers 6 modes, including headlight and camping light options with varying light durations. A Type-C charging cable fully charges the device in 3 hours. The tail carabiner hook and power indicator light enhance its practicality for outdoor adventures. Number 4. Coffee Accessories. This WDD tool features 8 stainless steel needles, each 0.35 millimeters in diameter, ideal for breaking up coffee clumps. An additional set of 8 needles is included for easy replacement, made from food-safe materials. This tool enhances your espresso making process by evenly distributing coffee grounds. By minimizing channeling and maximizing extraction, it ensures a consistently smooth and rich espresso, helping you achieve barista-quality results at home. Number 5. Bicycle Tools 14-in-1. Crafted from durable 40 CR steel and reinforced with nylon, this 14-in-1 bike multi-tool set ensures longevity and multifunctionality. Weighing just 195 g, it's lightweight and portable, perfect for carrying on any ride. The ergonomic design of the ratchet wrench provides a comfortable grip for ease of use. This comprehensive kit includes a bidirectional mini ratchet wrench, tire levers, a quick-release extension rod, and various bits, making it an essential tool for all bicycle repairs. Number 6. 5,000 mAh USB-C auxiliary battery. The Charge Flow Mini Power Bank features interchangeable plugs for iOS and USB-C, ensuring compatibility with a range of devices like iPhones, AirPods, iPads, and Android phones. Its compact, lightweight design, similar to a lipstick, fits easily into pockets or wallets, making it ideal for travel. With a 5,000 mAh capacity, it provides 1.5 charges for the iPhone 12 or a full charge for newer models. The built-in USB-C cable enhances convenience for on-the-go charging. Number 7. Portable External SSD. The T5 EVO SSD offers massive storage in a compact design, perfect for gamers and content creators on the go. With capacities ranging from 2 terabytes to 8 terabytes, it's light and portable, ideal for handling large file transfers. Featuring intelligent TurboWrite and USB 3.2 Gen 1 support, it delivers superior speed and performance. Built for durability, it offers shock resistance and fall protection up to 6 feet, ensuring reliability across various devices. Number 8. Lava Heating Warming Stand. Enhance your space with the Lava Heating Constant Temperature Coaster, featuring a colorful simulated lava lamp that adds a unique rainbow ambience to your desk. With 4 speed settings, it maintains temperatures between 50-80 degrees Celsius for the perfect brew. The 8-hour automatic shutdown ensures safety and energy efficiency, compatible with both American and European standards. Its 1.5 amp power cord allows easy plug replacement. Lightweight at 0.174 kilograms, it's portable and perfect for tea lovers on the go. Number 9. Power Bank 24,000 mAh with smart screen. The SharGeek 170W Power Bank offers robust charging with 2 140W USB-C and 1 USB-A port, allowing simultaneous charging of 3 devices. Featuring 140W PD 3.1 two-way charging, it recharges in just 45 minutes. As the first IP66 rated high-power portable charger on Amazon, it resists dust and water. Its smart display shows charging power, time, and battery level. With universal compatibility for various fast-charging protocols, it's perfect for powering over 1,000 devices on the go. Number 10. Rock Climbing Technology. Designed for mountaineering and rock climbing, this hand tool part by Climbing Technology originates from mainland China. It features a CRIC OVX SGO lock, ensuring reliability and safety during outdoor sports. With no high-concern chemicals used, it adheres to safety standards. The item, identified by number 2D674, comes with a tag price of $14.20. Available in various colors, it's a durable choice for outdoor enthusiasts and professional climbers alike. Number 11. Rechargeable Interactive LED Pet Ball. The Smart Dog Ball is an innovative toy designed to keep your small dog entertained for hours, both indoors and outdoors. It features 2 exciting modes: Smart Mode with slow flashing lights and Crazy Mode with rapid flashing lights. Equipped with LED lights, it captures your dog's attention even in the dark. With a USB rechargeable 300 mAh battery, it offers 4 hours of continuous play. Made from durable, safe materials, it's easy to clean and enjoy. Number 12. Modified Imperial Fighters. This 1,931-piece Star Wars vehicle model is compatible with 75382 and offers an immersive building experience for fans and collectors. Once completed, it measures over 12.5 inches high, 16 inches long, and 13 inches wide. Ideal for kids 14+ and block enthusiasts. The set is made from eco-friendly ABS plastic, ensuring safety. The color-coded pieces make assembly intuitive, and the set includes detailed instructions for easy construction. Fast shipping with tracking is included. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.